Yo, so I already know, bro. I already know you, all right? I know you. You wake up in the morning, you rinse your face with hot water, and you think that's washing your face, right? You think that's gonna remove all the bacteria, all the dirt and oil that's trapped on your skin. Well, I'm here to tell you you're not washing your face properly. In this video, I'm gonna teach you on how to wash your face properly so you can avoid acne breakouts. You can avoid having damaged skin. We're gonna dive into step by step on how to wash your face morning and night. First, obviously, is just don't wash your face with just water, guys. Water is gonna do absolutely nothing. You actually need to use what is called a facial cleanser. Now, a facial cleanser is going to remove the dirt and excess oil on your skin. You actually want this facial cleanser to become foamy looking on your face. So you should actually have the facial cleanser become whiter on your face as you're rubbing it into your skin. That's how you know it's actually distributing around your face. So you want to start off by actually washing your face with lukewarm water. You want to apply this cleanser to the T-zone area on your face, meaning above your eyebrows and right between your nose and your chin. From here, you're gonna start gathering the cleanser throughout your face. This is where you actually rub the cleanser in a circular motion. Guys, you cannot be scrubbing up and down. You do not need to be rough with your skin. A circular motion on your face is perfect. That's what's gonna gather the most of this cleanser, and that's gonna be able to remove the dirt and oil on your skin. Now, you wanna make sure that you're actually rubbing in the areas that accumulate the most dirt and oil. And if you're someone that wears a lot of hair product, you wanna make sure that you cover the top of the T-zone area, meaning around your forehead. This is where your hairline sits, right? So if you're not actually cleaning this area, you're gonna be very prone to breakouts around your forehead. So that's why it's super important to actually rub this in for at least 2 minutes, guys. You wanna make sure you're cleansing your face for 2 entire minutes. So if you're someone with a beard like myself, you need to make sure that you're rubbing that cleanser into your beard. Just because you can't see skin where your beard is doesn't mean you get to skip this part, as this is very important that you really rub this cleanser even more into your beard. Again, when you're rubbing this on your face, you wanna make sure you're going into a circular motion and rubbing that in. So now that you're done the 2 minutes of cleansing your face, the next step here is you're gonna be removing that cleanser on your face with cold water. And yes, you don't wanna be using hot water, as the hot water will actually damage your skin, especially after using the cleanser. From here, you're gonna take your towel and you're gonna dab your face. You're not gonna rub your face with the towel up and down. This is where you gently pat your face with the towel. You have to allow the towel to do its thing, meaning you don't need to be rubbing that towel into your skin, as that's gonna cause a lot of redness and irritation on your skin. All you need to do is gently pat your skin with the towel. So you're probably sitting there right now watching this and you're wondering how many times you're supposed to do this. I'm here to tell you, I want you to be cleansing your face at least 2 times a day, guys. Bro, you gotta be cleaning your face. This should just be part of your day-to-day routine, bro. Like, this is not something to negotiate or, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it next week. No. This is something you need to be doing in your everyday routine. This is like brushing your teeth. You don't wanna have bad oily skin when you go out for dates, you go out for a job interview. Guys, when people take a look at your face and they see that you have this significant glow to yourself, they're gonna be able to tell that you take care of yourself, bro. You look after yourself, and that's the kind of impression you wanna start giving out to people. So that's why every morning and every night before you go to bed, when you wake up in the morning, you need to be doing this routine. 2 minutes in the morning, 2 minutes at night. And I guarantee you, when you start following these little things throughout the day, it's gonna make your life a lot easier. You won't be backtracking when you start getting pimples on your face, when you start having acne breakouts, when you start having red or itchy skin. This is going to avoid all of that because you're taking the necessary steps now. So get ahead while you can. Bro, it's 4 minutes out of your day. And if you think 4 minutes is a lot, then do 3 minutes. Do 90 seconds in the morning, 90 seconds before you go to bed. And if you think that's too long, do 60 seconds in the morning and 60 seconds when you go to bed. But just establish a routine for yourself. So now that you know how to wash your face, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys, in this video, as I'm posting content like this every single week. And I'll see you on the next video.